So signs, kung paano mo lalaman na ready na ang anak mo sa pag-read, and naniniwala ako na sometimes sa reading, ang timing is not about the age, hindi sa mas matanda na yung bata. Sometimes there are 2 years old na they are ready to read, and sometimes they are grade 4, grade 5 na they are struggling in reading but need more foundation. It's very help. Pero let's go to yung mga bata na yung mga anak ninyo na gusto nyong turuan, 2 years old, 3, effective ba to? Number 1 lang, based on my experience lang, na kailangan mo is focus. Yes, hindi mo kailangan na alam niya ni ABC, 1 to 10, 1 to 100. That is very effective naman. Kailangan mo yan. But, pag tinawag mo siya, sasabihin mo, come, let's read, or mag-aral tayo. Pag tinawag mo, pupunta siya sa'yo, and then, she or he gonna sit down with you, at pwede mo rin gamitin yung toy niya as a, gagamitin mo siya parang hindi siya matakot, na hindi intimidating yung lesson. But, it's a big leap already, or big help, na pag umupo siya sa'yo, is that number 1 sign na yon. And then, pag nagpakita ka ng letters, sa tabi niya, flashcards mo, binasa niya, even though hindi naman tama, some of the letters, sign na yon. And then, pakita ka, baka may alam na siya, natuturo siya sa school. If, di ba, pumapasok ngayon sa daycare or sa mga kinder 1 na sinasabi natin, they are magbabasa, even it's not na tama, it's okay na. Numbers, effective na yon. The mere fact na umupo siya sa'yo, nag-listen sa sa'yo, and boom, that's it. Pag nagturo ka sa kanya, 1 letter lang, talaga, lalo na pag medyo bata pa siya, 1 letter sound ang ituro, hindi letter names muna, because he is a beginner, nagsisimula pa lang. So, pag tinuruan mo sa kanya, tapos natandaan niya, good. Pag hindi niya natandaan, pero may gusto niya talaga, follow up. Master it. Pag na-master niya, next letter sound. Next letter sound. Then don't forget, pag nagtuturo ka, pag 2 to 3 letter sounds na nagtuturo mo sa kanya, teach them how to blend. Pag nag-blending ka, 1 letter, halimbawa, yung i-blend nyo is word na 2 letters muna, no? As. Diba? Start with the vowel to consonant. Very effective yon. Vowel to consonant. A. And then s. Show it kung paano mag-blend. Okay? As. A. S. As. 1 by 1. And then blend together slowly and then fast. Ganun ang sasabihin mo sa kanya. Very literal ang pag-explain sa kanya. And that's very effective. The idea is this. Pag nakafocus yung bata, go. Effective yon. Kahit anong strategy turo mo sa kanya, basta focus ka din, kalmado ka lang nagtuturo sa kanya, nakikipaglaro ka sa kanya, their language is play. That's why it's allowed to bring toy during the session yon, dalawa. Their language is playtime, active, hindi boring, hindi parang college. And remember, they are having a play and learn, at hindi lang puro strategy. They need you to be there effectively with emotion kang nagtuturo sa kanya. Show them that you love also teaching them, and alam ko whatever na ginagawa nyong dalawa will be effective kahit na hindi mo pa nga inaral yung strategy o technique na kinuha mo sa mga Google o tinuro ni teacher. You will just present to them habang nagtuturo ka, and everything will be effective. So that's it. Just be yung focus ng bata, and she's ready. That's it. If you learn from this vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below kung ano pa ang gusto nyong topic na pwedeng nating i-discuss on about reading. So, see you on my next vlog po. Bye po muna!